Hello friends, my name is Karthik Varagade. Today I discuss about how to create IMDb Clone project. So let's review about this, and here we go live. So this is how I created a IMDb project. Uh, let's start. Uh, if we enter any movie name, just like I enter here Avenger. So here I clicked on Avengers, and here I click create and add to favorite button. So let's add it, and if we if we click on again add it to favorites, it shows already added to favorites. And about this we will discuss later also. I'll show the code for that. Uh, then we add another movie also. So this movie also I will add. And uh, for reviewing the favorites movie, we click on favorite button, and here we have many movies that I have many movies that I have in my favorite list, and we can delete it also from by clicking on develop button. Just like it works. So let's discuss about it, how it works. Okay, so let's come to the code. So here is a HTML code for IMDb clone. So here is the document structure. The HTML document starts with standard metadata like structure, character, metadata like character set and viewport configuration. It includes a link to an external style sheet, styles.css for styles. Uh, the body contains an outer container div that wraps different sections, the logo container and the search container. The logo container and the search container. Okay, and the logo container includes the application logo and a link to a favorite pages, and the logo itself is an image link, and there is a separate link for favorites. There is separate links for favorites also, and search container. This section contains an input box for movies search and a div for displaying search suggestions. It includes an input field and a suggestion box that will be dynamically populated with movie titles. And here is a JavaScript file also. The HTML ends with a link to an external JavaScript file, script.js, indicating that dynamic behavior and functionality are implemented using JavaScript. So let's move to the CSS code. So is a global styles. The CSS resets default margins and padding for all elements. Default margins and padding are there. The define it defines a color scheme using CSS variables for various shades, and applies a default font to the entire document. Okay. And outer container sets a minimum height for the outer container, defining a dark background. Here we can see that. dark background. Uh, Here is that dark background. Okay, and logo styles adds padding and border styling for to the logo. Here is a padding and border styling. Here I have added to the logo, and such container styles also there. There is a such container styles sets the background color for the search container and styles the search element including the search input and suggestions boxes. Find styles for the search list items and item details also. And there is a media queries. Adjust styles for smaller screens and larger screens, ensuring a responsive design. Here is the media queries I have added. Uh, Now let me move to the JS code also. So here is the JS code. JavaScript selects the search box, search list, and result grid. Local storage installations initialize local storage with an empty array for favorite movies if it doesn't exist. Find movies function. Here I have added the API key for to fetching the movies from OMDB API. And find movies function handles user input thus in the search box triggers the fetch movies and to get movie suggestions based on the entered term. Fetch movies functions. Here the fetch movies functions the asynchronously fetches movie data from the OMDB API using the provided search term. This is the API key. Uh, Checks if the API responses is successful and triggers the display movie list functions. Display movie list functions also there. Here are the display movie function. It clears the previous list of movies and iterates through and receives movie data, creating HTML elements for each movie and appends them to the suggestions list. Here I use late for that. For loop is used. Loaded movies details also here and there. There are the loaded movies details. Selects all match movies in the suggestion box and adds a click event listener. On click, it hides the suggestion box, clears the search box, sets the movie ID in local storage, and redirects the users to a movie details page. Here is the event listeners. Add a for click outside the search box to hide the suggestion box, listens for pickup, key up, and click events on the search box to trigger the find movies functions. So this is an integrated combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript creates an IMDb project, an interactive movie search interface that provides real-time suggestion and allows users to click a movie for more details. These applications here are the details about the movies that we're talking about. Uh, and the JavaScript code handles dynamic behavior such as fetching and displaying movie data and managing user interactions overall. It's a well-structured and engaging web application for exploring movies. So hope you like it, and that's it.